Hiya, I'm Ivy and I've just finished my session with Rocky. It's my very first session driving in the UK. So I've been driving in the Philippines before, but that meant that I was driving on the left side. So now I'm driving on the right side, and the first lesson for today is just getting used to that, getting used to making sure that I'm driving on the right side of the road. And Rocky gave me this really good tip to remember which side of the road I should be driving. So in the UK, basically I just need to remember that the curb should always be on the left side. So whenever I come up and need to turn or need to decide where to go, for me to remember, I always need to remind myself, okay, the curb needs to be on the left. And similarly, on the other side, if I'm driving on the other side, then the same rule applies. So that was the main lesson I learned today. And I am booking more sessions and hopefully get my license.